Write -1 plus I root 3 in polar form. So polar form of complex number, polar form of z is equal to a plus ib, we can write it as r of cos theta plus I sin theta. So comparing -1 plus I root 3 with r cos theta plus ri sin theta, I r sin theta. So we have r cos theta is equal to -1 and r sin theta is equal to root 3. Also r is equal to mod of z, that is root over -1 whole square plus root 3 whole square. So which is equal to -1 whole square is 1, root 3 whole square is 3. So root over 1 plus 3 is root 4. So we'll take plus or minus 2, but r is positive. Since r is positive, so we consider r is equal to plus 2. So r is equal to 2, so we can get 2 cos theta is equal to -1 and 2 sin theta is equal to root 3. Or we can write cos theta is equal to -1 by 2 and sin theta is equal to root 3 by 2. So cos theta is negative and sin theta is positive. Cos negative and sin positive means whereby we can say theta belongs to quadrant second. It's a second quadrant, and in second quadrant we will take the solution as pi minus alpha, where alpha is acute angle. Since sin theta is equal to root 3 by 2, so we can find the acute angle, that is pi by sin 60 degrees, that is pi by 3 is equal to root 3 by 2. So let us consider sin theta is equal to sin pi by 3. So take alpha is equal to pi by 3, which is an acute angle. Alpha is equal to pi by 3 is an acute angle, and since we know that if alpha is an acute angle, in second quadrant it will be pi minus alpha, third quadrant minus pi plus alpha, and fourth quadrant minus alpha. And since our angle theta belongs to the quadrant 2, so we can write theta is equal to pi minus pi by 3, that is 2 pi by 3, which is the argument of complex number. Therefore the polar form we can write it as -1 plus I root 3 is equal to r. R is nothing but 2 times cos theta, that is cos of 2 pi by 3 plus I sin of 2 pi by 3. It's argument of z. This is argument of the complex number z is 2 pi by 3. Okay, 2 times cos of 2 pi by 3 plus I sin 2 pi by 3 is a polar form. Okay, thank you.